Greetings, this is Pink Shock Yellow Boots from Behavior, working towards achieving holistic health for everybody. Moving on with our series on journaling, today we'll be covering goal journaling. As the name suggests, it is journaling about our goal and its achievement, so it can also be called progress journaling. When we are setting goals in our life, these may be in any field, we need a rational and practical plan to achieve it. Also, a lot of motivation, dedication, and effort. Goal journaling is a way that can aid the process of achieving our goal. It also measures the progress as well as keeps us consistent and persistent in our move to achieve the goal. These goals can be in any area of our life. It can be about weight loss, it can be about a business expansion, it can be achieving good grades in your exams, it can be bettering a relationship, finishing a project, learning a skill, or anything that you are trying to achieve. When you're starting a goal journal, the important part is to set the goal. The goal is supposed to be crisp and precise. So one can start with what they want to achieve, in how much time they want to achieve it, the deadline they give themselves, and the time they are going to dedicate for that. The goal that you set is supposed to be specific. If it's a long term goal, have short term goals before that lead to achieve the long term goals. Eliminate goals that hinder or come in the way of the prioritized goal. Let's say you have a goal of achieving a certain result in your exam, and during that time, you also have a goal to learn a new skill. Eliminating the goal of achieving a new skill while you prepare for your exam can be taken into consideration. Also, postponing that goal and achieving the goal of learning a new skill after you have achieved the goal of examination result is a more rational decision. This states that prioritizing what goals are important and what are not is also a part of goal setting. Moving forward with goal setting, the first part would come as deciding the steps to achieve that goal, be it alteration in your time schedule, lifestyle, other commitments, and engagement are noted down. For some goals, you can have a daily planner, for other goals, you can have a weekly planner. Also, when achieving a long term goal, the short term goals will have usually a daily planner, while the long term goal, where you assess your progress, will have a weekly planner. It will have a time in which you will achieve the short term goals and the time you dedicate to achieve that short term goal. Also, the steps you take to achieve that short term goal. It is to be noted that sometimes what we plan might not seem practical as we start executing them, and so making changes in our goal is not the step to be taken, but making changes in the steps we are going to take to achieve the goal are to be reconsidered. For example, if you plan on studying in the evening time for your exam, does not fall across, you might have to change the time to studying in the morning or late at night as per the preference and comfort for the scheduled activity. Having a regular check with what your goal is and what your progress is regularly noted in the journal. Also, a review of what you achieved and what you did not, and the reason behind not being able to achieve the set progress needs to be noted down so that as you review the review, taking steps to avoid making the same choices that hinder the progress are to be undertaken. Being as specific as possible, as realistic as possible. Also, being willing to make changes to the path we take to achieve the goals are all supposed to be noted in the journal, and efforts need to be put in to consistently grow and move towards achieving that goal. When working with a therapist would guide you on the process of how to set goals and make the planner, as well as how to progress through it. See through what are the hindrances and what changes can be inculcated. But even as an individual, if you start goal setting and goal planning with the help of a journal, you will gradually have a knack of it, and it would prove to be one of the foundational decisions you make for achieving your goals. Have a great week ahead. Take care.